Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2016 Bobcat T630 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'm going to walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions, I'll get up close to everything, talk about everything I see, tell you everything I know. Then of course we'll fire it up, kind of run it through its paces. I'll get up close, let you hear the engine. I'll get up front, close to the front, let you see the pins, show you how everything operates. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer, a used piece of construction, or a used piece of farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for equipment find our videos and find our equipment, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one's a 2016 Bobcat T630 cab with heat, SJC controls, 2,100 pound lift capacity, 2,505 hours. I cranked it up, ran around a little bit ago. Runs good, the engine sounds good, hydraulics are strong. There is a little bit of play in these top pins here, and I'll show you that when we do the operational video. I'll get up close and let you see that. There is definitely a little bit of play there. I've seen way worse, but there is play and I want to talk about it. As you can see, this one's green. The paint is fairly bright. The decals are good. It's a pretty straight machine. It's not all scratched up back here. Nice and straight there. The tracks are very good. As you can see, there's a lot of life left in these tracks. Same thing with the sprockets. A lot of life left in those sprockets. The undercarriage rail here is actually pretty darn good. There's some paint chipped off. Nothing out of the ordinary. Actually, probably a little nicer than most with 2,500 hours as far as that goes. Pretty straight back here. Coming around to the back. The back door is really straight. I don't see any big dents or dings in that. It doesn't look like it's really been backed into a bunch of stuff like you'll see a lot of times. This bottom back piece does have a couple little dents in it there. A little bit of paint scratched off, nothing out of the ordinary. That top here is pretty straight. Same thing coming down on this side. Pretty straight there. Again, straight here, good decals. Tracks are in really good shape on this side as well, match up really well to the other side. Lots of life left there. Same thing with the sprockets. And again, this side undercarriage rail is in good shape. Again, not all scratched up back here. I do not see any cracks or welds or plating anywhere on the arms or the skid steer mount plate back here. The bucket is in really good shape. As you can see, it's got a very good cutting edge on it. I don't see any big waves or dents or dings in the bucket. It's actually in pretty good shape. There is concrete, as you can see, a little bit in the bucket and quite a bit up here on the loader arms, splashed up, and on those two cylinders and on that step. We'll go take a look at the engine. Okay, as you can see back here, nice and dry up here. A little bit of dust and dirt, but nice and dry. Side of the block's nice and dry. I don't see any oil or diesel running down the side of that. Everything looks good here. Same thing back here. Inside of the back door's in good shape. Everything looks pretty good there. Go take a look at the cab. All the glass seems to be in good shape. I don't see any glass that's busted out. I really don't even see any cracks or anything in the glass. The door's good. Everything up here is pretty good, nice and straight. Sometimes you'll see where this has been ran into stuff and these are crinkled and lights are busted. Everything seems to be good there. Like I said a little bit ago, there is some concrete splattered up here. There's a little bit right there on the seat. The seat's in really good shape. I don't see any cuts or tears in that seat. Your SJC controls are in really good shape. Foot pedals are actually in pretty good shape. The foot throttle works exactly like it's supposed to, as well as the hand throttle. Both work well. It is ISO and H pattern controls. 2505 on the hours. HVAC controls here. Like I said, cab with heat. Everything looks pretty good back here. Like I said, I don't see any cracks or welds or anything to the back of that skid steer mount plate. Couplers. All right, like I said, this one's a 2016 T630, 2505 on hours. We'll fire it up and get right into an operational video. If you have any questions, comment down below.